Whimsical versus Figma. Which design tool is better? Choosing the right design tool can completely change how you create and collaborate without wasting time or struggling with complex features. Both Whimsical and Figma offer unique approaches for designers. Whimsical and Figma are popular design tools but serve slightly different purposes. Whimsical focuses on quick, visual brainstorming and wireframing, while Figma is a full-featured interface design and prototyping platform. The core difference lies in simplicity versus comprehensive design capabilities. Whimsical is a visual workspace designed for fast wireframing, flowcharts, and mind mapping. It works by providing an intuitive drag-and-drop interface with ready-made components like sticky notes, shapes, and connectors. This allows teams to brainstorm ideas and map out user flows quickly without needing advanced design skills. Its strengths include ease of use, speed, and real-time collaboration, making it ideal for early-stage project planning and communication. However, Whimsical's limitations show when it comes to detailed UI design or prototyping, as it lacks the depth and precision tools found in more advanced software. The ideal user is a product manager, UX designer, or team lead who needs to visualize concepts rapidly and share ideas without the overhead of complex design workflows, as noted on Whimsical's official site. Figma is a cloud-based design platform focused on UI and UX design, prototyping, and developer handoff. It operates entirely in the browser with powerful vector editing tools, component libraries, and interactive prototyping features. Figma excels in enabling detailed interface design with precision and scalability, supporting design systems and version control. Its strengths include robust collaboration features, plugin integrations, and cross-platform accessibility. Limitations may include a steeper learning curve for beginners and occasional performance issues with very large files. Figma is best suited for professional designers and teams who require a comprehensive tool to create high-fidelity designs, prototypes, and collaborate seamlessly across roles. According to Figma's documentation, it supports end-to-end design workflows from concept to code. Choosing between Whimsical and Figma depends on your workflow stage and needs. Whimsical shines in early brainstorming and simple wireframing where speed and clarity are priorities. For example, product teams can quickly outline user journeys or organize ideas visually without deep design expertise. Figma, on the other hand, is tailored for detailed interface design and prototyping, supporting complex projects with reusable components and developer collaboration. It suits designers building polished products ready for production. The trade-off is simplicity versus depth. Whimsical offers a lightweight, straightforward experience, while Figma provides a powerful, all-in-one design environment but requires more time to master. Teams often start in Whimsical for ideation and move to Figma for execution, leveraging each tool's strengths. Choose Whimsical if you need fast, clear visual brainstorming and wireframing without the complexity of full design software. Opt for Figma when your project demands detailed UI design, prototyping, and seamless collaboration across design and development teams. Both tools complement each other well, so selecting based on your current workflow stage ensures efficiency and quality in your design process.